Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Me is a boss. You see me? Very sophisticated. Me not eat fritters, but me love fried dumpling. You can't give me fritters. Fried dumpling, me think there. What do you? Me? Me not like cheap food, but me love tasties. You can't cook no spoiled food for me. You can't give me no dog food, but me love ton meal. You can't say one doctor for me, they can hurt me. Please. 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 Are you recording?
Hello.
Hello. It's me. I was wondering if you could have paid to go over.
You know, if you do me like that every time, you know.
I'm sorry. I was just in touch with my emotions and my belly a spin. Cause I'm hungry. Send me a thing. PayPal me at sign a scale me not Gmail and
you know that's a video
right now.
A funny video.
I love myself.
That's a
My
funny
God,
video.
I'm ugly as hell. Hello, the sun. No, another extra fries.
So where we gonna dance upon also?
Something.
What is that? What's up with this?
Is he recording?
No.
He was never recording.
No, about
Is
this.
he recording? Never? I really thought Whoopi was recording. Because that's a whole video.
You're not recording.
I really thought Whoopi
You're
was
recording
recording.
now?
No, all of that left me. It left me. Like who both left the other runners. I will not call it any name.
Painting slant.
It is straight now.